Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to check how much RAM or memory apps or games are using in Windows 10 or 11. So firstly guys, you have to click on start. Now type here resource monitor. So you will see resource monitor, click on it. Now here guys, in this window you can check and you can see which application is using more memory. Here you can see memory, disk and network. So this is the easy way to find out which application and program is using more memory in your Windows PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, by these simple and easy steps we can fix and we can resolve and we can check which application is using more memory in your Windows. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.